This is Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this Peugeot 307 station wagon. Let's have a closer look. Clearly not a Mini. We do have plenty of Minis in stock, so if you're in the market for a Mini, please do bear us in mind. This car though is a very tidy example. It has the same engine actually as the Mini Diesel, the pre-2010 Mini Diesel. And this engine, this 1.6 HDI engine, you'll find in Volvos and Fords, Citroens of course, Minis as I mentioned, and it's very common, strong, reliable motor. So it's a quick once round. We'll dive in for a closer look. Car's in good condition. It says 64,500 miles on an 08, so it's really low mileage. Bodywork's decent. These often get faded, these are not. Bodywork is good. Minor blemishes here and there, commensurate with the age really. But, you know, for what is it, a 14-year-old car, 14.5-year-old car, not bad at all. Coming down the side here, this wing is in good condition. Wheels got some marks on it, tyres in excellent condition. Down this side, there's no bumps or bruises that I can see. This is the SE model, special equipment, I suppose. Got some nice bits on it, I'll come to that. This wheel is actually not bad at all, there's a mark there. Tyres in good condition. Coming around the back we have parking sensors. If I open the boot, you can see it's got a huge, great boot on it. The trays is there. These are designed so you can put a third row of seats in. In fact, the seat belts are here as well. We don't have those seats. You can buy them. They're on eBay second hand for between 50 and a couple £100. They link into these parts here and they clip into that. So if you want a 7-seater, this could be an option. So coming back round here, this side is in good order. This wheel, there's a mark here, treads good. Not bad at all. This side of the car, there is a dent here. It hasn't gone through the paint, and you can see it just about if I do that. And then coming down this side, it's all good as well. So this wheel is the worst wheel for bruises or grazes. So we've got some marks on that. Tyres in good condition now. And that's back around the front. So it's also worth mentioning, I think, that these rear seats, you can remove them. All the rear seats are removable, and they're individual seats as well. So, and there are these trays, so your kids can make a nice mess in the back seats if you have them. Nice condition, these seats, very light, and we have this enormous panoramic sunroof as well. The other nice touch is the mirrors fold when you lock the car and unlock, and obviously open up when you unlock the car. Coming in from into the driver's seat, you can see the seats are in good condition. Let's get in. So steering wheel has got a little bit of wear up here, and there is a little split in the dashboard there. Not a lot I can do about that, I'm afraid, but it is there, just be aware of it. Let's start the car. Car has done, as of today, 63,372 miles. Fires up. Lights go out. On this side we've got lights, headlights and side lights, and automatic there. This is cruise control, the speed limiter, and here we have controls for the stereo and the rear wiper and the front wipers. So four electric windows there, and mirror adjustment. And we have a Blaupunkt CD player here, 5 CD player, and the stereo, and this display up there is for the radio. It also gives you a display for the reversing sensors. So when I put the car in reverse, you get an icon of the car there. If I go towards an obstacle, I'm just reversing back now, you should get a visual and an audible warning of an obstacle in the way. It also has dual digital climate control, so you can set your temperature to a nice whatever you want, and then freeze the legs off your passenger if you want to, and just press auto and it keeps it there. So as I mentioned, it's got this huge sunroof, and it's controlled by, there's a blind that is controlled by that. Now, it doesn't open to the elements, but the blind does close, as you can see. So I'll just show you that that's working perfectly well. And now with it closed, you wouldn't actually know there's a glass roof, but for those days that you want a bit more light in the car, it's a nice touch. So that's controlled from there. We also have these armrests that come down for the passenger and the driver and fold away again. We have a 12 volt power supply there. It's a 5-speed box. What else to say? I think that's more or less it. So in summary, we have a 2008 Peugeot 307 SW, or station wagon. It's the SE, which means special equipment. And as far as that's concerned, you've got some nice toys in here. You've got the sunroof, you've got parking sensors, you've got a 5 CD Blaupunkt stereo. And it's nicely appointed in here. The seats are all tidy, there's no smell, there's no rips, there's no tears. I don't think it's been smoked in. Low mileage, it's got pretty good history. So come along, drive it, see what you think. Thanks for watching.